In this video, we'll walk through how to update the message callers hear when they reach your company's Auto Attendant. Let's get started. Begin by opening your browser and heading over to advancedhostedservices.com. Once you're on the site, click on the PBX login button. Enter your credentials and press login. After signing in, you'll land in the main portal where you can manage different parts of your phone system. From here, go ahead and navigate to the Auto Attendants tab. This section shows all the auto attendants currently set up for your organization. You can quickly review them, play their greetings, or make updates by clicking the pencil icon next to the one you'd like to edit. Before making any changes, there's one quick thing to keep in mind. To create or modify auto attendants, your user profile needs Office Manager permissions. If you don't have that level of access, you can always reach out to our support team at support@advancednetworkservices.us. Now, once you've selected the auto attendant you want to update, click the pencil icon to open its settings. Inside this view, you'll see a few basic options like editing the name or adding an intro greeting, which is simply a short message that plays before the main menu options begin. To update the main message callers here, look for the menu prompt section. Here you can listen to the current greeting, download it if needed, or edit it. Click Edit and you'll notice there are a few different ways to update the audio. The first option is text-to-speech, which lets you type your message and automatically convert it into audio. Once the message is written, simply choose a voice from the drop-down menu and click Play to preview it.
Hello and thank you for calling Advanced Hosted Services. Please listen carefully to the following options. Press 1 for support. Press 2 for the company directory. Press 3 for an operator. Or press 0 to leave a voicemail in our general mailbox.
When everything sounds right, add a short description and save the greeting. If you already have a recording prepared, you can instead choose Upload Greeting. Select the audio file from your computer and save it. And if you'd rather record the message directly through the system, the record option will call your extension or phone number so you can capture the greeting right away. You can also dial the recording code from your phone if that's more convenient. Once your greeting is ready, save your changes and it will be applied to the auto attendant. At this point, it's a good idea to quickly review the dial pad menu. After updating the greeting, it's important to make sure the menu options match what callers hear. You'll see the numbers on the keypad such as 1, 2, 3, or 0, and each number represents what will happen when a caller presses that key. To update one of these options, simply select the number you want to configure and choose the action you want that key to perform. Some of the most common actions include user. This routes the call directly to someone in your system, company directory. This allows callers to search for employees by name using their phone keypad. Voicemail. This sends the caller straight to a voicemail box. After selecting this option, choose the user or extension whose voicemail should receive the message. External phone number. This forwards the call to a phone number outside your system, such as a mobile phone or answering service. Just enter the phone number where the call should be sent. Play message. This option plays a recorded message to the caller, which is useful for sharing information like business hours, announcements, or holiday schedules. Repeat prompt. This allows callers to hear the auto attendant, greeting, and menu options again. If you ever need to remove an option, simply select the number and click Remove. Once all the menu options match the instructions in your greeting, click Save and your auto attendant will be updated. And that's all there is to it. Your greeting is now updated and your menu options are ready to guide callers to the right place. If you ever need help with a more advanced setup, feel free to call us at 631-940-9096 or email support@advancednetworkservices.us. Our team will be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.